It's giving a little cute flip over quick weave. So yeah, this is the first pack. So that way I can just pull from it real easy like that. She thick. She thick. Ooh. This is 2.5 packs of hair. You can see it's really thick. You know, just comb through it. You absolutely can reuse them. Everything is combed out. Alright, you guys, so here we have this type of hair. I have 3 bundles of hair. Okay, so in each pack it comes with 2 little separate bundles. So this is the crochet hair with the thread in between. So honestly, I've had my share of this type of hair. This type of hair was made to be crocheted in. However, I don't like the crochet method. You can go back and watch some of my previous videos on it. I'll leave all those links down below. I've done it a couple times. So this time I'm going to try something different and we're going to see how it works out. So I was trying to braid the hair into my braid, but I'm not really feeling it, and plus I don't know how it's going to end up being for the front, so I'm going to just bite the bullet and crochet the hair through and struggle with removing the hair later. Because it'd be a struggle for me. So I got somewhere to go and I'll just deal with this later. So trying to pull whatever I can out of my cornrows so that after I install the hair I can kind of push this hair back onto it to make it like less detectable. I didn't do that the last time I did it with cornrows, so let's see if this helps any. Good thing my hair a little short. Okay, I feel like this is a good amount out. Now let's go ahead and crochet. My problem last time is like I just did this one time and you can still see the string. So I'm trying to see what I need to do so you won't see that string. I don't even know. Okay, this one not gonna be that visible, so let me not worry about that one too much. Let's just move on to the next because this hair stresses me out, not even gonna lie. Yeah, last time I was like tying a knot instead of like crocheting it because that, like, what is sticking up? Who's-a? Y'all experience all of my emotions with me. I feel like they should make the string shorter. Like, why is this so much string in between? You don't need this much string. There's too much string in between. Let's get through this back here. So that's all I'm doing. One thing I can say about this hair is that the string is a little shorter than other brands that I've worked with. So that's helpful. I feel like it should still be a little shorter so that the hair isn't all the way down here. If you watch one of my other videos, you can kind of see what I'm talking about with how visible the longer string in between is. But I do appreciate this brand for having the string a little shorter. And I find myself alternating what side I'm using so that it's not all just on this side or all on this side. Like, I was just on this side, so now I'm going to pull a piece of hair from this side. Add the crochet hair. Now back over here, crochet that through. So that's how I'm trying to do it. And you see already it's starting to thicken up, so I like that. That part is not the problem. The hair be looking good. It be giving bundles, honey. But like I said, it be the long string plus the edges. Let's just get through it. Okay, so I'm ready to start on my second bundle that's still in the first pack. One bundle out of the first pack. I know that be sounding a little confusing, but this is half of one pack. Okay, so pulling up on the second pack. First bundle out of the second pack. And I have it like on my phone tripod, so that way I can just pull from it real easy like that. Let me show you, this is the first pack. Looking pretty thick too. So let's continue. Oh, shoulder hurt. It's starting to fill in, but this is the side that it would get flipped to. So I'm already started on my third pack. This is the first bundle from the third pack. Alright, so I'm done with this side. Like, it is pretty full. Combing it out. She thick. She thick, thick. Ooh. Let's finish this up. I don't know. I feel like I might need to like take some hair and crochet it back down to kind of hide the part. Child, I don't know. Let's just try to tease this area. Take some of my root touch up and put this right directly on my parts. See that part? Cover that baby right up. Hold on. I need to get this one and that. Let's get them back little parts too. Okay, maybe I need to put on a scarf too to like make sure this holds back. So I'm just going to use this melt band. Child, I don't know. All I know is that my hair needs to last through the night and through some sweat. It's only 12 o'clock right now. So I need homegirl to lay down and stay down. Alright, I will go ahead and finish my makeup and then we will come back and see what it's giving. So here's the finished look. I'm just going to give this some time to get right because right now it has that little band indentation. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know. It's giving a little cute flip over quick weave. So yeah. What I've gathered using this style of crochet hair is that you have to have like some type of leave out to help hide the string. Like, it's no way around that. So this is 2.5 packs of hair. You can see it's really thick, you know, just comb through it. That's it. Let's see the thickness. This style took me 3.5 hours for this, and I already had cornrows, and I feel like it helped that my cornrows were old. I did my cornrows maybe like 4 days ago, so they was a little frizzy. That helped that I didn't have like crispy parts going into this style, so keep that in mind as well. Alright y'all, it's the next day. All I can say is I had a time last night. That's what that looked like, a hot mess. But I wanted to show you guys how I remove my hair. Hopefully I don't have to cut anything. I was going to go ahead and wet it so you can see how it look curled up, but then it's gonna make it harder to remove it. But the hair, look, it's still in really good condition. I can go through and finger comb it. Yeah, it look really good still. So I'm gonna try to take it out per cornrow. See, it's kind of hard still when you go to remove it. Like, this is why I be cutting it out. But people was in my comment like, you don't have to cut it out. You can just take a loose your cornrow. Baby, I am. And I even did this last time. It's different. This is different. Pull it out. Good thing my hair isn't long, for real. Have anything fallen out yet? See how it's just stuck on my hair like that? Like, even when you do take a loose your cornrow. Okay, so it came out. Just a little struggle. I guess I gotta do all of them like that. Like, just kind of pull it. I'm about to pull out my scissors. And then everybody, so just do like this. It's harder to get the ones in the front because those are closer. It's just not practical. This is silly. Next time I do this, I will for sure just cut it because it takes too long. And honestly, it pulls out your hair. Look at that. That. And this. It's kind of easier for me to use the reptile comb sometimes. But it's like you just take your time and get it out. You're able to like crochet it back in, honestly. However, the times that I've used this hair before and I cut it out, you can still reuse the hair for something else. You just can't crochet it back in. So I put that hair to the side so that I can use it on some braids, you know, because it's like, boom, you have boho hair for some knotless braids or something. Thank God that's it. However, I'm not at the end of the road because here's the hair that I took out. Now I need to go in one by one. I thought I was going to wash this. I'm not washing this. Baby, enough is enough. You absolutely can reuse them. Be back in a second. Okay, 500 years later, everything is combed out and separated and ready to go for next time. So what I do is take the packs that they came in, slide you right on here, and boom. Whether you cut the string to remove it or not, you can still save the hair and use it for another use. See ya.